Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Today I went another place and I am going to home now and I am making video. Today I will share about my English learning journey and how I practice English. Okay, I will share you everything. Just keep watching my video so you can understand, you can know. So friends, when I started learning English, that time I used to watch so much English related videos. Okay, and yes, I used to watch grammar videos and all kind of things in English. That time I used to listen English podcast, English videos. But I will tell you how you can learn English. Okay, if you are absolutely very beginner, so you should learn listening cartoon. Okay, just watch cartoons. Okay, every day. Don't focus on grammar, just listen English cartoons, or you can watch English movies also. Very first time when you will watch English movies, you will unable to understand all the things. But after that, you will be habitual after watching English movies. You will understand later. Okay, and try to do one thing, that is shadowing. Even I used to do shadowing practice. Most of the time, uh, I I sorry friends, what I am doing, I didn't do shadowing practice, but yes, nowadays I am again doing shadowing practice and it is working very well. So friends, when you watch any movies, any cartoons, try to copy their voice. Okay, whatever you will see, whatever you will listen, just try to copy. Do shadowing. Like one thing, they are saying don't go, you say don't go. Okay, so in this way you can practice English and you can learn English. Do one thing, that is watching movies and cartoons and do shadowing. Okay, and if you know any kind of things, try to say, try to speak every day. Okay, whatever you know, just try to speak and come outside, and whatever you see in front of you, the surroundings, try to know all the meanings, all the objectives name in English. Okay, and try to describe something. Okay, now I can see the sun behind me, the sky, the green field. Okay, the polar tree, the fields, the birds. Okay, and I can see grass, I can see soil, I can see many birds. Okay, there are many birds, many things. So it is a green field, paddy field. Farmer have plowed that field, and yes. So what I used to do, I used to do one thing, that is listening and watching movies and cartoons, and I used to read books also. I didn't read books so much, but yes, at least I try to read books, and but I do one thing, that is reading. I used to make notes, daily sentences, vocabs, and I used to read those vocabs and sentences, and I used to practice English in that way. But if you do reading practice, you will learn English very well. And another thing, that is writing. I used to do writing when I used to listen anything, when I used to watch any movies or anything with subtitle. Whatever I didn't used to understand, I used to write those sentences, those words, and after that I try to read those sentences and words. So you can do this type of thing every day to improve your fluency, to learn English. And yes, I do. Okay, and I have taken another challenge. I will not share it, but after 3 months later I will share you. Okay, if it works, then I will share. So friends, I reached here in that field. It is a green field, and I used to come here for playing football, playing cricket, and doing exercise also. So I went another place, and I reached in this place. Now I am going to my home, and So friends, I was practicing English in this time. Okay, and even I am practicing English also, I am making video. And today weather is very hot. Today weather is very hot. Actually whatever is coming into my thoughts, I am sharing all the things. I said I will share my English learning journey, but what I am sharing here, that is why people don't like my video. Okay, no problem. And I am thinking I will not make video for 2-3 months. Let's see what happens. I don't know what will I do, but I will not recharge my mobile for 1 month maybe. Okay, then I will recharge again and I will practice English very well. Yes, my recharge will be ended very soon. So friends, I will read many books and I have made many notes, so I will read those notes to learn English. And yes, I will download some videos to learn English and I will watch those videos. I am spending time to learn English. Yes, so I have to give my time properly. And yes, I should not waste my time for unnecessary things. I recharge my mobile every month. Yes, and I waste my money also. Yes, I am wasting my money because I don't want to waste my money and I want to save money. Yes, I will eat proper food. I will take proper diet and I will go for running, doing exercise. So I want to gain weight. I am losing my weight nowadays, but I want to gain my weight and I want to be healthy. I am a healthy person, of course, but I want to be more healthy and strong. I am not so much strong. My physical strength is very weak. Okay. So friends, I am saying some another thing. Okay. So if you want to learn English, just follow some rules. That is, first rule is listen and watch English videos and do shadowing practice. Another is reading. Okay, if you read more and so you will learn more. And another thing, that is writing. Okay, you have to write something. Okay, and another thing, most important thing, that is speaking. You have to speak at least half an hour every day. Whatever you see in front of you, whatever you think in your mind, just try to speak aloud. On birds, listen, its voice very nice. Cuckoo. I don't know which bird is this. Oh my god, which is this? Neem leaves. I will have it. Okay, I will have neem leaves. After washing these leaves, I will have it. Okay. So friends, even I do this type of thing like watching movies, watching cartoons, watching podcast, listening music. Okay, you can do one thing, that is you can listen music, English songs. Okay, if you listen English songs and if you sing with that lyrics, so you will improve your English so much. I don't listen English songs, but yes, I will listen English songs also. I do listen English songs, but nowadays I am not listening, to be honest, but I will listen. And my English level is in this level, but after 3 months you will see my level will be different. Okay, and I will speak English better. Okay, so that is why I have taken that challenge, but I will not share you. Yes, I will read books. Of course, I will read books every day, and I will learn vocabs also every day, phrases, vocabs, idioms. I will practice English every day more and more, and I want to become more dedicated. I am very passionate to learn this language, so you have to be passionate also to learn this language. Okay. So friends, I don't want to make my video longer. If you like, then give it a like and please stay connected with me. So I will meet you next month maybe.